Alpine goat balance how they conquer cliffs. It's a truly remarkable sight, alpine goats gracefully navigating incredibly steep terrain. Their ability to cling to sheer rock faces seems almost impossible, doesn't it? This isn't just about strong legs, it's a combination of specialized anatomy and incredible agility. Take a look at their hooves. They possess unique, rubbery pads that provide exceptional grip on even the smoothest surfaces. These pads are incredibly sensitive too, allowing them to feel the contours of the rock and adjust their footing accordingly. Furthermore, each hoof has a split appearance with rough inner edges, which act like tiny crampons biting into the stone. Their powerful muscles also play a crucial role. They allow for precise movements and rapid adjustments in balance. It's a beautiful example of how evolution has shaped these animals to thrive in challenging environments. It's truly remarkable how agile alpine goats are, and a big part of that comes down to their incredibly flexible ankles. You might notice them navigating rocky terrain with an ease you wouldn't expect, and it's not just about strength. Their hooves can actually rotate over 180 degrees. This incredible flexibility allows them to grip uneven surfaces, climb steep inclines, and essentially maneuver in ways that would be impossible for most other animals. Think of it as built. In climbing shoes, they're constantly adjusting their footing to maintain balance and find the surest path forward. It's a fantastic adaptation for life in challenging mountainous environments. Take a closer look at an alpine goat's hooves. They're truly remarkable adaptations for their mountain home. Unlike many animals, these hooves possess a unique ability. They can rotate. This rotation allows the goat to adjust its footing as it navigates incredibly uneven and rocky terrain. It's like having tiny, built-in stabilizers. You'll see them twist slightly as they step, constantly finding the most secure point of contact. This provides exceptional grip and traction, preventing slips and falls on steep slopes, a vital survival skill when you're living amongst sheer cliffs and precarious ledges. Alpine goats are incredibly well adapted to their mountainous environments, and that extends even to their feet. You might notice they have 2 toes on each foot, which is common among ungulates. But what's truly remarkable is the structure of those toes. Between each toe sits a soft, spongy pad. Think of it like a built-in shock absorber. This pad isn't static, it dynamically expands and contracts based on the terrain they're traversing. When walking across uneven rock or loose scree, the pad spreads out, increasing the surface area in contact with the ground for better grip. Conversely, when moving on more stable surfaces, it retracts slightly. It's a clever evolutionary adaptation that allows them to navigate incredibly challenging landscapes with remarkable agility and stability. You might think a goat's hooves are just simple coverings for their toes, but they're actually incredibly specialized. Alpine goats spend a lot of time navigating steep and rocky terrain, and that requires an extraordinary level of foot control. The muscles within their feet are surprisingly strong, much stronger than you'd expect from something so small. This allows them to quickly adjust their grip, almost instantly shifting how firmly they're anchored to the ground as conditions change. Imagine scrambling over loose scree or a slippery slope. Those powerful muscles allow an alpine goat to maintain its balance and avoid a tumble. It's incredible how these alpine goats navigate such challenging terrain. They aren't just relying on strong legs and hooves, they also employ a remarkably sophisticated balancing act known as transverse dynamic balancing. Imagine shifting your weight constantly, almost imperceptibly, to stay upright. That's essentially what they do. It's a continuous adjustment of their center of gravity, allowing them to maintain stability even when traversing incredibly narrow ledges or steep slopes. This precise control isn't innate, it's something they learn and refine as they grow, becoming masters of balance in the mountains. Alpine goats are renowned for their incredible agility, and a huge part of that comes down to their muscular build. Notice how powerfully developed their shoulders and neck are. These aren't just for show, they're essential tools. These strong muscles allow them to leverage their entire body weight when navigating challenging terrain. It's not just about hopping or jumping, it's about carefully using their strength to climb steep inclines, scramble over rocks, and maintain a perfect balance while doing so. They can really use this powerful combination to counterbalance themselves on precarious ledges too. Alpine goats are incredibly sure-footed animals, and a big part of that comes down to their hooves. Unlike many hoofed creatures, their foot pads aren't smooth, they're rough and textured. Think of them almost like built in climbing shoes. This specialized surface provides exceptional friction, allowing them to grip even the most challenging rocky terrain with ease. It's a remarkable adaptation that lets them navigate incredibly steep slopes and precarious ledges essential for finding food and escaping predators in their mountainous habitats. It's truly remarkable how quickly young alpine goats master their incredible agility. They don't need formal training, it's all learned through observation and practice with their mothers. Watch a mother alpine navigate a rocky slope. She's not just moving, she's demonstrating. The kids carefully mimic her movements, adjusting their weight, finding the best footing, and understanding how to use their strong legs to maintain balance. This instinctive learning process is vital for survival in their mountainous habitat. It's a beautiful example of nature providing built-in lessons, ensuring the next generation are just as sure-footed as their mothers. The alpine goat's success isn't just about individual traits, it's how they all work together. Their incredible agility, coupled with their sharp senses and instinctive climbing behavior, creates a powerful synergy. This allows them to navigate incredibly steep terrain, places most animals simply can't reach. They are essentially masters of their environment, able to exploit food sources and escape predators that other species would never have access to. The result is a population remarkably well suited for life in the rugged mountains they call home. It's truly an example of nature's ingenuity.